Now I'm synced. So here's the dealio. I made a video about 6 months ago talking about my plans for the future with YouTube and all that, and I got really busy, so I haven't uploaded like any video in several months. I think I uploaded a couple music videos to hanSen. I also forgot to mention in that video, actually no, I wasn't planning on doing it, but I ended up making a third channel. So now I have computers, gaming, music, and I think I'm gonna make a personal channel as well. Not really vlogs, just like, I guess I suppose it is kind of vlogs. Part of the reason why I haven't been uploading as much is around, I think it was January, February range, I got diagnosed with celiac disease, which isn't a big deal. I mean, it sucks, it affects a lot of things, but it's not that deep. But that definitely, I was focusing on taking care of that in school and a girlfriend at the same time. But now I just graduated high school, I'm single, still have celiacs, but that means I have more time to upload now. I have a job as well, but I just put in my 2 weeks last night. I'm still looking for another job, but in the meantime, that means I have basically no responsibilities and I'm on summer break. So, what does that mean? More videos, hopefully. We'll see what happens there. I think technically speaking, this is my main channel. After all, it's my biggest channel. And today I have a bunch of, I'll show you in a second, I have a bunch of computer stuff that I have not worked on and also in 6 months, and I really need to get working on those because that's money right there. It's waiting to be collected. Anyways, let's see the computers. So here we are, my computer setup. Desk is actually clean for once. This was not clean for many months. It was covered in stuff. I'll move my trash. I've got one Optiplex. I'm pretty sure this one's broken. I've got a couple junk laptops, 2 towers. That's a shoebox. And then another mini tower. So I'm just gonna start by looking at the towers and seeing what's going on, and then I will diagnose, repair, add a part or something, and then get it ready to sell. Let's start with this PC out here. This is a Dell Optiplex 7040. I think one of these is broken, and I'm pretty sure it's this one, but I won't know until I open it. That's the wrong way. Nice. Okay, so no hard drive, no SSD, no RAM, and I'm gonna give a guess that there's no CPU in here either. Yeah, no CPU either. So this is just an empty Optiplex case. That makes sense. So this is the broken one. I'm just gonna screw in the corners. I'll probably just give it away for free on Facebook Marketplace. Computer, no parts in it, empty. You just give it away. Because there is the chance that someone needs a specific part from this same kind of PC. Maybe they need the power supply, maybe they need a disk drive, maybe they need a free CPU cooler, right? Doesn't matter. Free is free. And I'm pretty sure the rest of these do work. So let's see what we're working with. It has a hard drive. I'm just gonna peep down. I see a stick of RAM. There is an SSD. Okay, if I remember, yeah, there is. This PC does work, but I need to install Windows. So let me get my little goober. Oh, it's right here. Let's see if there's even Windows installed already. I think if I remember right, there actually is Windows. No, it is Windows 10, but it's on the hard drive and it's full of crap. So I'll probably have to go into the computer, unplug the hard drive, boot it, download Windows, replug in the hard drive, and then it'll work. And I'm pretty sure the memory in here is 8 gigabytes for one stick. I'll check. If it's not, then I'll fix that. All right, so let's unplug this, and you know what, just to be safe, we'll unplug the power too. So I have my goober now actually with Windows 10, not Windows 11, because I forgot I had Windows 11 on it for a different client's build. Now, for the first time ever, I'm plugging in Windows 10. Windows 10 media installation device. And the computer didn't turn on. Now it is. Hopefully the Windows logo pops up any minute now. Oh my goodness. It's the fucking Windows logo. Oh yeah. This is right where I want to be. Alrighty, I got Windows 10 installed. Computer's all good. If we check Task Manager, we have an i5 6500. I want to know if it shows me the temperature. It doesn't. Memory, 8 gigabytes of DDR4 running at 2133. I'm pretty sure these are only rated for that. I'm gonna check BIOS to make sure. Then I got that hard drive that was included. What I had to do, since there was already Windows on the hard drive, I had to unplug it, and then I downloaded Windows on the SSD, plugged this back in, restarted the computer, and then I formatted it. So now All this does is just extra storage. So this person has about 600, and they have their DVD drive. Everything seems to be working, and this is ready to go. Awesome. Next PC. Wow, I have a lot of laptops here. Ooh. All right, this one is an Optiplex 7010. Ooh, wow. Okay, so we got a hard drive. We got a graphics card. We got a 275 watt power supply. Got a DVD drive. This RAM looks like DDR3. What the fuck? 4 gigabytes, 2 gigabytes. Based on the shape, yeah, this is DDR3. That's great. There's not even a slot for an SSD. It's that old. Oh, no, I forgot I got an SSD. It's just not a SATA SSD, or it is a SATA. It's not a NVMe. So let me make sure there's thermal paste still, because I don't think I changed it. Will this even support Windows 10? I'm curious. I think it should. Oh, wow, there's like nothing on there. Okay, I'm really glad I opened that up. I've heavily considered getting one of those little electric screwdrivers. That's like handheld, and just there's a little button on it, and just, but you know, I was thinking about it, and I'm not a bitch, so I'm not gonna get one of those. All right, so we have that. I'm going to do the same thing I did last time. I need to boot Windows onto it. Yo, what? You're joking. Why is it the oldest computer only has a DisplayPort? Okay, so I have to use the other monitor, but it should work. My other monitor is over there. My keyboard and mouse are over here. Gosh. Okay. Is that the precious Windows logo? Yes, it is. Here we go. Alright, perfect. I'm in installation. Now I have to just do all of it from here. Okay. Windows is installing. Hurrah. So what I'm doing right now is there is no Wi-Fi, and I'm using the graphics card in here, and it needs a display driver. So I need to install a graphics driver. Only problem is this computer is not on Wi-Fi, so I just put in a little. I got like a low profile Wi-Fi adapter a while ago, and I never ended up using it. So I just bent the end of it, and now it's like my little test Wi-Fi thing. Wow, my clock is set to 11:10 p.m. on December 6th, 2019. Okay, so that last clip I didn't have my mic working because I forgot to press record in the audio. Oopsie! But I still have the phone audio. So yeah, I'm running into a problem. I can't get a graphics driver for a graphics card that apparently doesn't exist. Oh, but you know what? I'm getting a display, which means the graphics card is working. It doesn't have a driver for it though, which is why it's not giving me anything. So I need to see what kind of graphics card it is. All it says is Radeon. Ha! Got it. Okay, this is it. Oh, I'm so happy that worked. Okay, this is a Radeon HD 7470. 300 megabytes, but it is a video driver for that specific card. So we're gonna wait for that. I'm downloading at about 2 megabytes a second. Could really use those antennas. Yeah, they're right here. Yeah, boy. Catch that signal, boy. Oh, speed's going up. 6, 7, 8, 9 megabytes, 10 megabytes a second. So right now I need to order power cables for these PCs when I sell them, because I'm not gonna expect people to buy power cables themselves. I need to buy a Wi-Fi card for this. So my cost is going up, but I'll try to find a receipt somewhere, but I'm pretty sure I'm still making profit on those machines as long as I sell them for more than like 50 bucks. Hey! Resolution's correct. Drivers are being installed right now. Okay. Oh my goodness. It's glorious. Graphics card works even though it's not showing up. Hopefully they're not using it for anything more than just displaying. So I'm gonna call it a success. I'm gonna box this up. Alright. Oh, that's a dusty box. Don't make a joke out of that. Alright, it's inappropriate. There's kids watching this sometimes. Look at this little thing I got. Wow. And yes, that's right, I'm using a whiteboard eraser to get rid of dust. So this one, HP Pavilion 500 PC series, comes with Windows 7. What the hell is this? Okay, there's a Wi-Fi card. Okay, wait, there's some potential in this machine. It's something more than just a computer. There's no hard drive, but there is an SSD in it. It's a SanDisk. SanDisk, 128 gigabytes. Let's see how much RAM it has. SK Hynix, 8 gigabytes. So the one stick is enough, that's for sure. Unplug the CPU power too. And then, oh yeah, this has those stupid star screws. But I have a star screwdriver, so it doesn't matter. Oh wow, that is some old goodness. That is some old thermal paste if I've ever seen some. That's crusty. You know, I usually wear gloves when I do this, but this is so old, I don't think I even need to. That was really fast. Will it come off of the CPU cooler though? Probably not. Oh wow, it does. Okay, then my guess is that this actually isn't as old as I thought it was, and it was just spread out. All right, that is in. That is snug as a bug in a rug. Plug that in. Plug this in. Okay, that's in. RAM, storage. Probably have to reinstall Windows. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. If it doesn't work, then I'll put in my Patriot SSD. Boom, awesome. This one's been working the best. And even though it said I had Windows 7, I'm pretty sure I had Windows 10 because this has better tech than the other computer. Oh, just kidding. I don't want product key. Awesome. Okay, it's installing Windows. I'll be back when it's done. So here's the deal. I just got back from a few-day vacation, and I'm exhausted, but I have 3 videos to make. This video is already 11 minutes long, and I don't know if any of you are actually that interested in me flipping computers, right? So I'm gonna stop the video here. If you guys really want a part 2, I'll make it if this gets enough views or likes, but I'm expecting YouTube to screw me over and give me like 100 views. So don't worry about it. But if you want part 2, let me know. I'll make it. I'm cutting it off here. Go watch the $300 build that I am about to upload soon, and have a great day. Bye-bye.